tornado emergency for East Limestone and Northwest Madison County. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Madison County and north central Alabama, northeastern Limestone County and north central Alabama until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Athens. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for East Limestone and Northwest Madison County. This includes Athens, Bethel, Harvest, and Tony. Take cover now. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Athens, Meridianville, Moores Mill, Hazel Green, Harvest, Tony, and Fisk. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of the structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Limestone, and Madison. Flash flood watch.
Suspicious going on here, and it's not Drake somehow floating. I don't know how he's doing that.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Washington County in north-central Maryland, Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Boonesboro, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hagerstown, Montgansville, Greencastle, and Chambersburg. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.